Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and this is my another video in Python machine learning. In this video we are going to learn how to rows in Pandas or how to perform a row selection in Pandas using Python. So in my previous video we have learned how to connect or how to integrate Pandas with MongoDB data. So here that's the result, and we are going to learn how to extract specific rows in Pandas. So for this, I'm going to customize this, and I simply write a statement print data dot loc, and I'm interested only in first three records. So to get first three records, I simply write head of 3. And when we run, we got the first three records. So it is giving us first top three records from that data set. In order to continue, I'm interested only in first row. So to get the record from the first row, but all columns. So the statement will be print data.loc, and for first row 0 comma all columns, and when we run, it will gives us the result, the first row and all columns, and we can compare it. The first record is 0.35 Canada 4875. To elaborate it more, I just change it to first record. So that's equal. If we just continue this, and I'm interested only in first two records with all columns, so I'll say first two records or first three records with all columns. So it return me first three records with all columns. You can see first three records with all columns. So this is how we can perform row selections in Python using Pandas in a data frame. So that's quite simple. That's all in this video. We'll be going to come up with some next videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.